I really see a difference in my face. It changed my face. I don't know. It's just, I would never have thought that that much of a extra, to make my bite in a better place would change so much of my muscles. And I think what it did was, I think it relaxed my muscles where I didn't realize they were kind of tense and up all the time. So it's fun to look in the mirror and smile. And I get, obviously people are like, oh my God, you look great. Your teeth are so white, I'm like, yeah, I had this whole thing. So I share a lot about it. I didn't have pain in my face. The neck pain had started a couple years ago. And there's a physiological reason that they gave me. Well, your nerves are just going crazy over there because there's this pressure. And I did, like I said, I had a couple procedures. But when you don't know what you don't know, you know what I mean? Like after doing all this, I see differences that I had just been living with things, just thinking it was normal. And now I know, like, no, everything's more relaxed. Wow, that neck pain doesn't come back now, things like that. So, you don't know that until you know it. I was nervous. I was mostly nervous. I've always been like very on edge about any kind of drilling because I had some bad experiences with people probably didn't know what they were doing, where, with pain and hitting nerves and not having the right anesthetic. Everybody in this office makes it so comfortable, even when it's uncomfortable. The day of getting all the teeth finally prepared for the eventual veneers that are going to be put on. That's a tough process to go through. It's long, but everyone was calm and just, are you okay? You want to take a break? It was fun coming to this office. I know that sounds weird, but that's kind of amazing because most people hate going to the dentist. They hate it. I used to hate it. I would avoid going to the dentist. First word that just came to my mind was amazing. Because I think I was kind of constantly amazed. Every time it was, whoa, you do that or you do this, or they kind of figure out like what from TENSing, exactly the right place your bite should be or your teeth should be to hold your face in a certain way. It was amazing. I mean, I'm careful with my teeth about how I eat and things now. And as I was before a little bit, just because I had broken veneers and stuff. And now with the new bridge and the implant, I feel so secure in my bite and eating. It's night and day. I've talked to a few people that actually know about this work here at this office. In fact, I just saw someone the other day and they're like, yeah, I heard about it from Dr. Adler and everything, but it's just so much. And so I'm like, you know what? You should just do it. It's worth it. Just do it. If you got that money aside and you're ready for a nice change, don't be afraid of it. Do it.